Hi everyone, I'm Janosio Ginagok from Section S1L, and this is my reflection for Lesson 2 Materials, self-focusing on my immediate family. When I think about who I am, what truly defines me, my family is always at the center of it all. According to William James, the things and people we call our own become part of our material self. For me, my family is the greatest treasure. They are my first teachers and my strongest support system, and the ones who remind me of my worth when I forget it. Every smile, every hug, and even every piece of advice they give shapes the person I am today. My family's love gives meaning to my action and direction to my dreams. Without them, my material self would would feel incomplete because they are not just part of my life. They are part of who I am. This lesson helped me realize that family is not only our foundation but also our reflection. They are living reminders that love, care, and connection are the truest form of wealth. Thank you. Good afternoon. Good day.